Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Viewers, eating moderate portion of a lean beef within a Mediterranean style diet does not raise a developing marker link to cardiovascular diseases, according to a new research from an interdisciplinary team at Penn State. The study looked at measure of heart health and gut microbiome diversity in young, generally healthy adults who rotated through four controlled diets for 4 weeks, each featuring different quantities and types of beef. As reported in the Journal of American Heart Association, participants who followed a Mediterranean diet that included either 0.5 or 2.5 ounces of lean beef per day did not show any increase in trimethylamine and oxide, that is called TMNO, a metabolic compound associated with higher cardiovascular risks. And these results were compared with outcomes from an average American diet that provided 2.5 ounces of regular beef daily and a Mediterranean diet that supplied 5.5 ounces of lean beef each day. TMAO forms during metabolism and is commonly produced when people eat animal-based foods including beef. Observational evidences shows higher levels of TMAO are associated with higher cardiovascular risks, said Christina Peterson, Associate Professor of Nutritional Sciences and Senior Author of this study. In this study, we wanted to better understand the relationship between lean beef consumption and TMAO levels in the context of a healthy Mediterranean style diet. Peterson noted that people are often advised to limit beef because higher intake has been tied to increased risks of heart disease. She explained that the new findings support earlier studies on related risk factors and indicate that eating modest amounts of lean, unprocessed beef within an overall healthy eating pattern does not appear to negatively influence heart disease risks. The researchers analyzed samples from a previous study involving Peterson that examined beef in a Mediterranean diet. For this analysis, 30 participants were provided with all meals and snacks for 4 separate 4 weeks periods. In this experimental design, every participant consumed all 4 diets, which reduced the possibility that results could occur due to differences between the people eating each diet. During one of the 4-week study periods, a participant consumed an average American diet based on US date from the time the study was designed. In the American diet periods, participants consumed meals that were composed of 52% carbohydrates, 15% proteins and 33% fats. Each day, they ate 2.5 ounces, about the size of a deck of cards of regular beef, which contains more than 10% fat. The American diet is higher in saturated fats and lower in olive oils, fruits and vegetables than the Mediterranean diet, Peterson said. During the other periods of the study, participants consumed Mediterranean style diets that were composed of 42% carbohydrates, 17% proteins and 41% fat. The Mediterranean diet included more olive oil, fruits and vegetables than the American diet. During one of the Mediterranean diet periods, participants ate 0.5 ounces of beef each day, which is a cube of meat smaller than 1 inch and reflects the amount of red meat consumed in a traditional Mediterranean diet. During another Mediterranean diet period, participants ate 2.5 ounces of beef each day. During the other Mediterranean period, participants ate 5.5 ounces of beef each day. The beef consumed in the Mediterranean diet periods was either lean, less than 10% fat, or extra lean, less than 5% fat, while the beef in the American diet period was not lean. All beef in the study was unprocessed. Participants ate each diet in a random order and were given at least 1 week of between dietary periods. Researchers used 3 types of biological samples: blood, feces and urine from each participant to measure TMO levels and the diversity of participants' gut microbiomes. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.